Good day. In this video, we're going to look at this flow diagram. We're going to teach you a few algebra concepts. We're going to try and show you how to change your mind from the way you thought in primary school and the way you must think now. The first concept you must make sure you understand in your head. It says here 4 minus 6. Some people have this idea in their head, you must almost minus the small one from the big one. This is wrong. You must minus the 6 from the 4. So you can minus 4 from 4 and you still have to minus 2. So your answer is minus 2. You have to understand your integers. Here we have 0 minus 4. Some people in their brain have an idea that says, but I can't minus 4 from nothing. Yes, you can in maths. This is algebra. The answer is I still have to minus 4. So the answer is minus 4. You have seen a sum like this since grade 3. We said 3 times something. We will now rewrite it like this. We will just replace this placeholder with another placeholder, which is a small letter of the alphabet. Any small letter of the alphabet. This and this means the same. And when it's multiplied, you can leave the multiply away and just write 3t. This in algebra means 3 times t. Like we said, since grade 3, we taught you 2 times, and we put a little line there, it means something must come here. It can now be written in algebra. It can now in algebra be written 2 times any small letter of the alphabet. In this case I made it 2 times k. And then this is how we write 2 times k in future. 2, nothing, small letter of the alphabet, k. Now the purpose of this video, they gave us this flow diagram. The numbers in the beginning is always called the input numbers. You're going to put them into this problem. And the output numbers are the numbers that's going to come out after you finish with your flow diagram. Now, because there are 2 blocks here, we're first going to do this part with each one of these numbers, get answers, take those answers and then do this to them and get the final answers here. And you do it as it comes. So you're first going to times 3, get the answer, and then minus 4 and get the final answer. So 0 times 3 will give me, yes, 0. Then 1 times 3 will give me 3. Then 2 times 3 will give me 6. And then t times 3 will give you 3t. This might be new to you. Don't be afraid. Get used to it quickly. Now, not to be confused by the front part, we just hide it for a bit. Then we take these numbers and we just do this to it. So 0 minus 4 will give you minus 4. Remember, this is a little bit difficult, but don't be upset. This is right. Next, the 3 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 1. Because we can minus 3 from the 3, but we still have to minus another 1. Next, we have the 6 minus 4. That will be plus 2. I can minus 4 from the 6, and there's still 2 left from the 6. The bottom one, 3t minus 4. And this is where the algebra kicks in. Don't be afraid. The answer is whatever we had minus 4. So 3t minus 4. Please stop the video and see if you understand this rear part. Right, let's go from the beginning again. We take 0 times 3 is 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2 times 3 is 6. That 6 minus 4 is 2. And then t times 3 is 3 times t, 3t. And 3t minus 4 is 3t minus 4. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. If you run into any kind of problems like this one that we just covered and you don't understand what to do, please send a clear WhatsApp photo of your problem to this number and a clear WhatsApp photo of where you tried it. Then we will try and solve the problem and send back an answer as soon as possible. Enjoy the flow diagrams.